We are doing the math spiral review for Wednesday, May 6th. We are correcting day 3. There are 1, 2, 3 rows. They go side to side. Columns go up and down. We have 2 columns. That creates our multiplication problem. I'm adding the numbers 2 plus 2 plus 2. I'm adding the number 2 3 times. That's what 3 times 2 means. I'm taking that number 2 and I'm adding it 3 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 more equals 6. Circle the fraction that describes the shaded part. Okay, I can see that 2 of the parts are shaded. So the top of my fraction has to have a number 2 in front. The bottom or in back of the fraction has to have the total number of pieces. So let's count how many total pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 total pieces and 2 of them were shaded. 2 out of the 8 are shaded. So this is the fraction that matches. 2 out of the 8. Which tool should be used to measure the length of the building? We're measuring length here. Cup does not measure length. That measures capacity, how much of something you have, like 1 cup of flour. That we already know won't work. Okay, the other 2 measure length. So which would be the better tool to measure the whole side of a building? A building is quite tall. You're going to need to use the one that can measure more easily. So we're going to use the measuring tape. Okay, how many centimeters is the carrot? I'm looking at the very end of the carrot here, that leaf. It's at the halfway mark, so that means we round up to the next number. It is 8 centimeters. You need to have centimeters written down as your unit. I can see right here there was a cm. This ruler was in centimeters, not inches. And the length of a cell phone. Circle your best choice. 5 inches or 5 yards. Now we remember an inch is a paper clip. So would a cell phone be 5 paper clips? Or a yard is a baseball bat. Would it be as long as 5 baseball bats? Well, 5 paper clips makes much more sense. We cannot fit 5 baseball bats into our pocket. And we know we like to put our cell phones in our pocket. So this makes much more sense. I will see all of your work on Friday.